Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back again to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to sell any cryptocurrency in your Bybit account using the P2P method. So with that being said, let's go ahead and click on your asset spot account, and then choose the cryptocurrency that you are having the balance in. For example, let's say the avalanche or whatever. Let's use the Dogecoin, for example. Trade, click on trade here, and Doge USDT. And now we have to transfer the Doge into USDT to sell it. So click here on sell, and then put 100% of your or the amount that you are willing to sell. For example, let's choose 75%, and then click on sell. After that, you will have the amount that you sold here on spot account. If you search for your USDT, you will find the balance in here. Now after doing that, click on buy crypto, P2P trading, and then click on sell. So from here guys, you choose the currency that you are willing to sell USDT to. So for example, let's choose dollar, like this. And as you can see, now from here you can sell your USDT. So basically guys, how to choose the right person, that's choose the guy with higher orders and higher completion rate. So for example, this guy is good, he has a decent amount of orders and a very good amount of completion rate. This guy is really very perfect, but it has much lower price, so I don't suggest it for you. But if you want a safely guy like that you can transfer your SD to, and you have no problem with, this guy is really perfect for you. So what you have to do is click on sell USDT, and of course you will have to add the payment method. So you add your credit card or any payment method that you are having, and then you will be able to sell just by clicking on sell USDT. Then you put the amount, and then you click on sell. So you have to send him the money. He will send you the money first, of course, and then after you received your money, you will click on received, like a button. You click on received, and then you will send him your USDT. So with that being said, that's how you sell your cryptocurrency on Bybit. So if you enjoyed the video guys, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day, and bye bye.